Tom from Crazy Diesel. I hope everyone's having a great day so far. It's Tuesday. I'm feeling better now. My back was actually killing me today. So, anyways, got a package in the mail today. Very excited about what's in there. Fortunately, it's not a transmission build kit, but it's something I've been wanting to get on this truck because it's been annoying the crap out of me that I didn't have these. So there is the package, and we are gonna unbox this in 3, 2, 1, and tow mirrors. So as you guys can see, we got just the regular old mirrors on here, and I don't like them. I really don't. I love the tow mirrors on here, or I love these mirrors. You know, I like how they've got the bubble and all that. So I had to do something about it, and they're power and heated. So, and obviously these are backwards for the sake of the video. So, but anyways, we are gonna go ahead and pull these mirrors off, and then we're gonna go ahead and install these mirrors, and then I'm also gonna go ahead and do something with the antenna, because that's just kind of starting to annoy me. So anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So first thing you're gonna want to do is go ahead and remove the door panel. There are 2 screws right here, and then there's another screw right up here, and then I believe the rest is just all clipped on there. So we're gonna go ahead and do that real quick. It's really not that hard. Now you don't have to remove the entire door panel. You just got to be able to get to the 3 nuts that are in there, and then be able to unplug this guy right here. So what I'm just going to go ahead and do is just go ahead and pull these nuts. They look like they're going to be a 10 mil. So if you can find your 10 mil, that's what you're going to use. And then the plug for this, and sorry about the wind, it's going to be this plug right here on the driver's side. Alright, so after you get the studs unbolted and you got the wiring harness out, there's this rubber grommet right here that is going to be right there, and you just pop it out right there. So what you're going to do next is you're going to take your hardware that they send you. This took a 4mm wrench, but you're just going to go ahead and put the studs in, and then also you're going to take your brackets on the other side, and you're going to put them in. So let's see here, this one is labeled right, so that's going to go on my passenger side. Where's my left side one? Alright, so we've got that one, and they also include some foam padding, but I'll go ahead and put the foam padding on later. Okay, so when you go to put the driver's side bracket in, it's just going to be a reverse of the process. The only thing different is that you're going to have this bracket that you're going to put in also. So and they will be labeled, you know, left, right. So, but yeah, that's how it's going to go in, and then you're going to go ahead and plug in the cable. Let's go ahead and see if this works. So
when I pull up in the whip, they be saying goddamn. When I hop out with my shawty, they be saying goddamn. They never show me love, now they see I got bands, now they saying goddamn.
all right, we got the tow mirrors on. Moose pack. Honestly, I love the look. I'm very happy with it. I'm very excited to finally get these on. You know, everything's working like they should. Oh, I just took the antenna down for now. I'll probably just, you know, try to remember to go buy another one. But let's go ahead and give you guys a little walk around, little tour of the 2nd gen, and yeah. All right, so it's my 2000 Dodge 3500. I recently got this off a buddy of mine. He, long story short, he got a loan out on it, and he kind of got a little in over his head, and I decided to go ahead and take over the payments for him and pay off the loan for him, and then just go ahead and keep the truck. So body's actually pretty straight. I mean, I am going to go ahead and switch to LEDs and some different headlights. Gonna go ahead and, you know, fix this little stuff here, new grill. So I actually kind of like these running boards here. I am planning on leveling the truck, so that is one thing I do plan on doing. I do want to get this right here replaced or repaired, whatever. Interior is not too bad. I mean, I've seen a lot worse. You know, gotta reupholster the seats, or at least the driver's seat. Need to redo that. And then obviously the dashboard, it's the 2nd gen. So we got ourselves the NV4500 4-wheel drive. I am going to be rebuilding this transmission. So also, excuse the mess in the truck. But anyways, the bed is actually not a whole lot of bad shape. So it doesn't look too bad. This stuff is kind of thick on there though. So the only bad is right here. As far as the body goes, obviously we're gonna go ahead and get this repaired. I mean, there's only one like dent that really stands out to me, and it's this one right here. This obviously. So but all in all, it's not a bad truck. I mean, I do need to rebuild the transmission on this thing. I did lose 5th gear and it will not go in the reverse position. But, you know, I'm just driving it until I got a lot of projects here. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video now. I know it was kind of a short video, but I really wanted to show you guys this truck and tell you guys what's going to be happening to it. But before I end this video, guys, there is one thing I want to show you. And if you see the banners behind me, yes, Royal Automotive is an extreme diesel performance dealer. Guys, if you want to help support this channel, help make this channel grow, help with these truck builds that we got coming, guys. If you guys are needing performance parts for your diesel pickup trucks or even replacement parts, guys, give me a call. I'll put my phone number right here. It will help greatly, guys. If you guys are in the southern New Mexico area or even like the El Paso area, or I mean, I got one guy, he's getting ready to come down from Illinois to get his truck done here. So if you guys are wanting work done on your guys' trucks, also, we can do that for you guys as well, guys. I would be more than happy to help you guys out. So again, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at craze_diesel. I'll go ahead and leave that right down there for you guys. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching again, and you guys have a great day. All right.
Black River gonna rise, but I get all